Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today we're going to be taking a first look at my brand new machine, a 2022 CFORCE 600, and do a quick walk around, show you some of the accessories that it comes with from the factory, and also to talk about the specs of this machine. I do a lot of off-road content, some of the best off-road content you will see on YouTube, especially when it comes to CFMOTO. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see this machine get put through, because we're going to put it to some tests. But first, let me introduce you to this machine in the only way that I know how, and that's with the best CFMOTO Evil. Most of you know this machine did come from Main Street Cycle down in Tishomingo, Mississippi. It's 1295 Main Street. You can find them at mainstreetcycle.com. Main Street is a dealer that I can tell you truly cares about their customers, cares about the brand. They care about CFMOTO. They care about making CFMOTO the best. And not only that, but the amount of accessories and parts that they carry far surpass any other dealer out there. As a matter of fact, let me show you just some of the accessories I came home with. So as you can see, we got some stuff. And like I said, I'm going to keep it stock for a little while, except for this sound bar. We will be installing that, so it's not going to affect any kind of performance. And you know, the very first accessory you should always purchase, especially when purchasing an ATV, is going to be a helmet. So we'll bust those out soon, show them to you. Main Street Cycle, anything and everything that you could want. mainstreetcycle.com, or give them a call, or shoot the shop number a text, and somebody will get right back to you. Okay, so this is a 2022 CFMOTO 600 single seat. They do make a touring version with the 2-up seat on the back. This is just a single seat. 4-stroke, single overhead cam, 4-valve, single cylinder engine, 580 cc's. Fuel system is a Bosch electronic fuel injection system, so it's very nice. Max power output from the factory is 40 horsepower at 6,750 RPMs. Max torque 36 foot-pounds at 5,250 RPMs. It is electric start. The electric start is right there. Comes factory with 12-inch aluminum alloy wheels. The wheelbase is 50.3 inches. Double A-arm suspension, spring preload adjustable, oil damped shocks, both front and rear. It is a little over 81 inches long, about 46.5 inches wide. Holds 4.6 gallons of fuel. Factory 10.6 inches of ground clearance. And front rack capacity will hold 100 pounds. Rear rack capacity will hold 75 pounds. The total curb weight of this machine is 870 pounds. Comes standard with a towing hitch that is rated for, I believe, about 875 pounds. It does come with a trunk box here. It's got a very nice seal around it, so it should remain waterproof. I haven't pulled any of this out. This one is not super deep enough to hold most things that you would be taking with you. The seats on these things are super nice and comfortable. Like, probably one of the most comfortable quads I've ever sat on. It does come with just a thumb switch, 4-wheel drive over there, diff lock, 2-wheel drive, super easy. Comes with a 12-volt plug and also a dual USB port. Charge any kind of phones. We'll have a sound bar across here, so it'll probably be ran off one of that. Maybe, I don't know yet. I would just assume that's the way it's set up. Shift lock. It does have an override switch in case you need to override the limiter. Comes factory with a 2,500 pound winch right here on the front. Your winch controls in and out are located right here. On the right for front brakes, there's also, let's see if I can see this. There's also a lever back there for emergency brake. Got another little storage compartment up here to put, I don't know what you'd put in there, but whatever you want to put in there that fits. Display is very nice. We haven't even peeled this off yet, so just peeling that plastic off. Ooh, buddy. Display. It's very nice. Shows you over here when you switch from 2-wheel to 4-wheel. Got your gas, got your RPMs, got your temp here. $600 and up, I believe, all come with the hand guards. Very nice. And one of the things that I really like about this machine are the lights. So we're going to turn that on. And they have these white LED accent lights above that look really nice. LED headlights, LED taillights. The taillights on this thing are the sexiest of any machine out there, for sure, 100%. And the other cool thing that it comes with factory are reverse lights. So when you put this thing in reverse, you get reverse lights. I don't know of any other machine that comes with that. And that's the CFORCE 600. I wanted to do a quick walk around and kind of just a brief overview before we really get into testing. I haven't really rode it yet or tested it much, so we are going to be doing that very soon. I'm going to keep it stock so I can test it, do some upgrades, retest it, give you my experience on what I've found and the mods that I like, the ones that I don't like, and go from there. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support lately. We're really close to 5,000 subscribers, which you know what that means. When you hit 5,000, gonna be a giveaway. So make sure you hit subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below, and we will see you in